Samsung is gearing up to introduce a more affordable foldable smartphone, the Galaxy Z Flip FE. This device aims to bring foldable technology to a wider audience by offering a budget-friendly alternative to the premium models. Leaks from recent firmware updates confirm that Samsung is actively developing this phone, with an initial launch expected in Europe. However, new reports indicate that it will also be available in India and the UAE, signaling a broader release strategy. A post from Terran Vats on X has uncovered firmware listings for the Galaxy Z Flip FE in multiple regions, hinting at Samsung's efforts to expand its foldable lineup. By introducing a lower-cost version, the company seems to be targeting customers who have been hesitant to invest in foldables due to their high prices. As these devices gain popularity, making them more accessible could be a smart move for Samsung. Despite being a budget model, this new foldable is expected to retain several high-end features. Reports suggest that the phone will come with an armor aluminum frame, ensuring durability, and use the same hinge mechanism as the upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 for a seamless folding experience. The main display is rumored to measure 6.7 inches, featuring AMOLED technology with full HD plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Samsung is also expected to include ultra-thin glass to enhance durability while minimizing creases on the screen. However, details regarding the size of the cover display remain uncertain, and there is speculation that Samsung may make it smaller to reduce costs. Under the hood, the Galaxy Z Flip FE is likely to feature an Exynos chipset, though the exact model remains unknown. It is expected to run One UI 7.0 based on Android 15, offering an improved software experience tailored for foldables. Samsung has been consistently enhancing its foldable software. This device should benefit from those refinements. In terms of cameras, leaks suggest a significant improvement over previous Flip models. The main rear camera is rumored to have a 50-megapixel sensor, a notable upgrade from the 12-megapixel sensors found in earlier versions. Additional camera details are unclear, but an ultra-wide lens is expected. The front-facing camera embedded within the main display is likely to provide high-quality selfies and smooth video calls. Battery performance is another key factor for foldables, and while the exact capacity has not been confirmed, reports indicate that it can support 25-watt fast charging. If it follows the pattern of previous Flip models, the battery may be around 3,700 mAh. With Samsung's software optimizations in One UI 7.0, battery efficiency could improve, allowing users to get through a full day even with a high refresh rate display. Since battery life has been a challenge for foldables, Samsung may introduce additional power-saving features to extend usage time. Connectivity is another area where this phone is expected to shine. The device will likely support Wi-Fi 6E for faster internet speeds and 5G for modern network capabilities. Since it is launching in multiple regions, there may be variations optimized for different network bands to ensure strong connectivity. These features could make the phone more appealing to users looking for a future-ready device. Although Samsung has not officially announced the launch date or pricing, the firmware leaks suggest that an unveiling is on the horizon. Industry insiders speculate that the phone might debut alongside the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6, possibly during Samsung's Unpacked event in July or August 2025. If Samsung manages to set an attractive price, this could be a major step in making foldable phones accessible to more consumers. Would you consider getting a more affordable foldable phone like the Galaxy Z Flip FE? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech trends. Samsung is working on exciting new camera features, and one of the standout additions to the Galaxy S25 series is AI filters. This tool, powered by Galaxy AI, allows users to create custom filters enhancing photos with unique styles and effects. But if you don't have a Galaxy S25, you might be wondering if this feature will be available on older devices. According to recent leaks, Samsung could be planning to bring AI filters to previous Galaxy models through the One UI 7 update. A well-known source, Terran Vats, recently shared that AI filters may not be limited to the Galaxy S25 series. Samsung has already made this feature available for the Galaxy S24 lineup as part of the fourth beta update of One UI 7.0 based on Android 15. Reports suggest that AI filters could also reach Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series smartphones launched in 2021 or later. If this information is accurate, many Samsung users will get to experience this AI-powered feature without needing to upgrade to the latest flagship model. The expected list of supported devices includes several of Samsung's premium smartphones. On the Galaxy S series, the update may extend to the Galaxy S21, S22, S23, and S24 models. For foldable devices, the feature might be available on the Galaxy Z Fold 3, Z Fold 4, Z Fold 5, and the upcoming Z Fold 6. Similarly, the Galaxy Z Flip 3, Z Flip 4, Z Flip 5, and Z Flip 6 could also receive the update. Since AI filters are already confirmed for the Galaxy S24, it makes sense that Samsung would expand them to other high-end models. The reason behind this could be that AI filters don't seem to require advanced hardware or extensive processing power, making them compatible with older devices without causing major performance issues. In addition to AI filters, Samsung is also bringing other camera features from the Galaxy S25 to previous models. One of the major additions is log video recording, which was recently introduced to the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the latest One UI 7.0 beta update. Log video recording provides a flat color profile, giving users more flexibility in post-processing and advanced video editing. However, this feature may not be available for all models, as reports suggest that the standard Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will not receive it. The likely reason is that log video requires more processing power, making it suitable only for premium Samsung devices. Samsung has not yet confirmed an official release date for One UI 7.0, but there are strong signs that it will be available soon. The company has recently ended the beta program, which typically means that the stable version is close to being rolled out. Many Galaxy users are eagerly waiting to see if their devices will support these new camera tools and how well AI filters will perform once the update is widely released. If you want to check whether your Samsung phone is eligible for the update, it's best to watch for official announcements from the company or check Samsung's software update pages for details. Bringing AI-powered features to older Galaxy models highlights how software updates can improve user experience without requiring a hardware upgrade. Many people hold on to their devices for several years before upgrading, so having access to new features through updates is a big advantage. If AI filters become available on multiple Galaxy devices, it will allow more users to explore creative photography without needing the latest flagship phone. What do you think about AI filters potentially coming to older Samsung devices? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this information useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more updates on Samsung's latest features. Apple's latest addition to the iPhone lineup, the iPhone 16e, is here. It offers a more affordable alternative to the standard iPhone 16 models while still packing solid features with a powerful 18 chip, a 48-megapixel camera, and a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display. It seems like a great option, but one noticeable omission has people talking. MagSafe is missing. For some users, this might not be a deal breaker, but for others, it's a big loss. MagSafe was first introduced with the iPhone 12 series and quickly became a favorite among Apple users. It made wireless charging easier by snapping the charger onto the back of the phone. It also allowed users to attach accessories like wallets, battery packs, and car mounts without extra clips or adhesives. If you've invested in MagSafe accessories over the years, you might be disappointed to find that the iPhone 16e won't support them. So why did Apple decide to remove MagSafe from this model? The most likely reason is cost. The iPhone 16e is designed to be the most budget-friendly model in the iPhone 16 lineup, starting at $599. By cutting MagSafe, Apple likely reduced production costs to keep the price lower. But was it the right decision? For some, MagSafe is just a minor convenience. They might not mind using standard wire